Okay guys, I've received a lot of messages asking for help on the homework I gave you this weekend. The homework is, the first problem number 1, is about finding the equation of a line from a function table. Here is my function table. This is not the problem that you guys have, it's just an example, so don't get all excited. My x's are 1, 3, 5, and 7. My y's are 7, 11, 15, and 19. The first thing I have to do is find the slope. To find the slope, what I do is I use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now don't forget, I have to go in and label these points. I'm going to choose the 3 and the 5 and 11 and 15. So this guy's my x1 because it came first. This guy's my x2. This is my, oops, sorry, that should be a y. This is going to be my y1. This is my y2. Don't forget that your y1 has to match with your x1. Do you see that these two are across from each other? And my 2's are also across from each other. I can't choose any random points. They have to be partners with each other like these ones are. So what I'm going to do is go and substitute now into my equation. It's y2 minus y1. I said my y2 is 15 minus my y1 is 11. Then I put it over my x2 is 5 minus my x1 is 3. So here I'm going to do the slope. 15 take away 11 is 4. 5 take away 3 is 2. 2 goes into 4 2 times. So the slope is 2. The next thing you have to do is find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, I use the slope and the formula y equals mx, sorry that's so ugly, plus b. And I'm going to take out the m and replace it with the number for slope because m means slope. So my formula is going to be y equals 2x plus b. Okay, now what I'm going to do to find the y-intercept, which is this guy here, the b, I go into the boxes and I choose one of the ordered pairs to be my x and my y. I'm going to choose the 1 and 7 because they sound the easiest to work with. So I'm going to put in for the y, I put in the 7. So 7 equals 2 times 1 plus b. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus b is the same as 7. So 2 plus what number gives us 7? Well, I know it's 5 because I'm smart. But in order to prove it using math, I use the opposite. So since 2 is positive, I'm going to subtract or use negative 2. This will cancel. So on the right side, I only have the letter B. And then 7 take away 2 is 5. So my y-intercept, also called my B, is 5. Alright, the very last step is to combine step 1 and step 2. I'm going to combine my slope and my y-intercept, or the letter M and the letter B. So I want to write my equation in this format. Y equals slope x plus y-intercept. So my slope was 2, so y equals 2x. My y-intercept, also called b, was 5 and was positive, so it's plus. So my equation of the line is y equals 2x plus 5. That is how you write the equation of a line. First, you find the slope. Go back and look at that again if you can't remember how to do it. Second, you find the y-intercept. Again, go back and look at it if you don't know how to do it. And third, you write an equation like this. Everybody should have this done.